So naka-cool mode tayo sa loob, 100 inside. Let's see if we have 24 volts some common.
Unlucky!
At red, meron. Common in yellow contactor. Meron, pero ito mag-cool contactor, orange. Meron din. Tingnan natin yung 24 volts sa side kung meron tayo.
Let's see.
Is wala. Wala. So, isa lang yan. Okay, yung low pressure switch niya is engaged. See? Tingnan mo kung may current. Meron. 200 magic. Magic, 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 magic. Oh, taas. Taas yan. Kasi may high pressure switch. Gagawin natin yung common. Reset natin. Alright. See?